Hi, this is Sagar. Right now, we are discussing about trigonometry. First of all, trigonometry is formed from three Greek words, and that word is gonia, and metron. And the meaning of trio is three. Gonia means angle, metron means measure. So, the literal meaning of trigonometry is the measurement of three angles. Okay, and also the content of trigonometry is the measurement of angles and sides of triangle. Okay, now basically trigonometry is based on triangle and mainly based on right angle triangle. So we are discussing about right angle triangle. Then first of all, which triangle that one angle is 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle, and another angle, we let's suppose that another angle is theta. So in front of theta, that side is called perpendicular, below the theta, that is called base, and the longest side of that triangle, or which side that is in front of right angle, that is called hypotenuse. When anybody asks to define these terms, then first of all we are discussing about perpendicular. Which side that is in front of theta is called perpendicular, and it is denoted by a small p. Okay, like there is theta and it's in front like that side, so that is perpendicular. When theta is here, then that side is called perpendicular. Okay, now another term, that is base. Which side that is below the theta is called base. It is denoted by a small b. So there is a theta, and below that side, that is called base. When theta is here, then this side is below the theta, so that is called, on basis of this theta, this is called base. Okay, right now we are talking another term, that is hypotenuse. the longest side of triangle, or which side that is in front of right angle or 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Okay, and it is also denoted by a small h. And these all terms made a theorem. That theorem name is called Pythagoras theorem. And in this theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of perpendicular and square of its base. So in Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of perpendicular plus the square of its base. That is called Pythagoras theorem, and it is given by Sir Pythagoras. Okay, then another term that is called trigonometric function. There are six trigonometric function. These are first one is sine, and it is written as sine. Another one is cosine, that is written as cos. Another one is tangent, that is written as tan. Another one is secant, that is written as sec. Another one is cosecant, that is written as cosec. And last, that is cotangent, and written as cot. Okay, right now we are discussing another terms of trigonometry, that is called trigonometry ratio. Which term? Trigonometry ratio. Trig ratio. In this term the trigonometry function is describing being the angles of triangle is called trigonometric ratio, and it is denoted by theta So we write all function of trigonometric function in the form of trigonometry ratio, like as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and last cosec theta. And also we are describing about its trigonometry ratio table. So first of all, everybody have in hand, there are 5 fingers in hand, and we are describing like these are 0 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 45 degree angle, and 60 degree angle, and last one not least 90 degree angle. So first of all we are write here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and another last is 90 degree. So first of all, in sin theta, where theta is 0 degree, then the value of sin theta, so first of all you are taking 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then divided by, there are total number of terms like 5, but the counting value is 4, then dividing in all terms by 4, then you have doing its square root, then you will got your answer. Then this is 0, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, and this is 1. Okay, and second one is cos theta, there where theta is 0 degree, then it is totally opposite of sin theta. So where sin 90 degree is 90 degree value is 1, so cos 0 degree value is 1. Where sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2, so cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Another, this is in between, so its value is same. Another one is 1 by 2, and last is 0 degree. Next, tan is the basically formed by sin theta upon cos theta, so 0 degree by 1 equals to 0. This is root 3, this is 1, this is this is 1 by root 2, and this is root 3, and this is infinite. Okay, yeah, undefined. That's it.